Hi, I'm Boatlift Bob, and today I'd like to talk to you about boat lift motors and switches. Recently, we had a call from someone asking to help him wire his boat lift motor to a regular switch. The problem with that is, what is a regular switch and what was he wiring it to? Let's take a look. Motors like these will typically range from a 3/4 horsepower to a 2 horsepower. They're usually controlled by a reversing drum switch or a remote control unit like a gym remote or a tech remote. If this is the type motor you have, you will also need to know the brand of the motor and the brand of the switch to get the right instructions. Why does that matter? I'm glad you asked. Some motors have standard color wires, some have T wires, and others have terminal blocks for wiring. To further complicate things, each switch and remote are different too. This Salzer reversing switch uses numbers to mark the terminals, but this Bremis reversing drum switch uses letters. Motors like these are completely different. They're low voltage DC motors. They often use a controller that is specific from the manufacturer, or they may be wired sometimes to a simple single pole toggle switch like this. As you can see, it would be easy to order the wrong thing if you don't know what you have. Below are some links to instructions on all of these switches and motors we've gone over. If you still need help, please call our folks at Boatlift Warehouse. We're always happy to help. I know you want to get that boat back on the water as soon as you can, and we're glad to help you do it. Thanks for watching.